You want to take it back?
That was all great though.
Let's try that again. Hey there, and welcome to the Sugar Treatment, where we bake and heal together. My name's Anthony, aka the Baking Social Worker. We've had some growth on the Sugar Treatment lately, and so I wanted to take a moment and introduce myself to my new subscribers. First of all, thanks so much for coming to the Sugar Treatment. I am not a baker. I'll just be very clear about that from the get-go. I'm an amateur baker. I started this channel because I found a lot of solace in baking during the pandemic. It was really helpful to my mental health, and I wanted to share that with the world. Second, I'm a social worker. I have a master's degree in social work, and I'm working on my license right now to become a clinical social worker. And I'm really passionate. I have a lot of opinions, my husband would like to say, about a lot of things. And so I was hoping really to use this channel as a platform to not only share some of my favorite recipes, but also to talk about some of the things that I care about most. So, other things that you should know about me. Yes, I have a husband. His name is Sean. He has a YouTube channel of his own. He kind of, pushed me into doing this thing because he's more of the producer, and I'm kind of I like to think of myself as the talent. But he is wonderful. We've been together for almost 10 years. We have 3 lovely pets. We have a dog named Tilly, who's 13. She's my little pup, and I love her. You'll probably see her here on the channel at some point. And we have, did I say 3? We only have 2. Oh, crap. I am sober. I've been sober for about 10 years. I'm actually going to be celebrating my birthday here in the next couple of weeks. That's something that has been a hugely transformative thing in my life and something that I like to talk about. I also am, just a little bit gay, and that experience has been also hugely transformative in my life. It's been a unique it's provided sort of a unique lens at looking at the world, and so I'm hugely passionate about all things LGBTQ+, and so you'll probably hear a lot about those types of issues here on the show. I'm also Native American, and my family is heavily involved in our tribe, which got me interested in doing research around child welfare and Native Americans, and that research was actually published. Thank you very much. So you'll have to check that out. Maybe I can leave a link in the description of the episode to the research that I published. Now, when it comes to the baking, I've definitely done some recipes that have been not so healthy. It is a baking channel after all. But I have been leaning more into healthier baking options and healthier recipes, using more natural sweeteners and things that are gluten-free or paleo. So you'll see a lot of those recipes on my channel. Now keep in mind that those recipes are not my own. I haven't really been able to, I haven't been brave enough yet to try my own recipes, but maybe that will come as I become a little bit more experienced here on the Sugar Treatment with you. I currently work in child welfare, and I work at a psychiatric hospital working with kids and adults with severe mental health. Both of those jobs are really interesting, really stressful, really challenging, but it's really opened my eyes to the generational trauma that's impacting our underserved populations in our communities. So you'll see a lot of that kind of woven into the things that we talk about here on the Sugar Treatment. You can find all of my links at thesugartreatment.com. I'll leave a link for it in the description below, but please feel free to say hello in the comments. Let me know what you want me to bake. Let me know what you want me to talk about. Lastly, I'm so grateful that you're here. We had a video on TikTok and a video on Instagram. Each hit 1 million views, which is kind of incredible and insane given that I'm a social worker and not a video content creator. So thank you again. Let's bake and heal together.